The company's most audacious design to date, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, defies all expectations both on the open road and on the storied Formula One racetracks. This mobile masterpiece, which is more than simply an RV, is a testament to Ferrari's unwavering commitment to performance and style. With its aggressive lines, sleek carbon fiber panels, and the recognizable Prancing Horse insignia, the exterior is a sculpted wonder of aerodynamic design. This mobile home can achieve previously unthinkable speeds for a vehicle of its size thanks to a hybrid V8 engine that powers its gorgeous look and produces an amazing 900+ horsepower. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome will revolutionize luxury travel with its harmonious blend of speed, style, and engineering. You're in a Ferrari as soon as you step into the cockpit, not an RV. The driver has total control because to the dashboard's ingenious ergonomic design. A huge, curving digital display sits in front of a racing-feel steering wheel made of carbon fiber and quality leather. All of the necessary driving data, including as speed, G-force, and real-time engine performance indicators, are shown on this screen along with the iconic Ferrari interface. The majority of the controls are operated via the central entertainment system. Very few buttons are physically present on the controls. The whole dashboard is covered in hand-stitched leather, with carbon fiber and polished metal accents, creating an opulent and high-tech driver-focused atmosphere. The Ferrari DNA is still present in the main living area, which has been renovated for maximum comfort. The open concept, flowing design of the inside was influenced by private aircraft cabins. With each surface painstakingly made from the best Italian materials, it is a haven of luxury. The flooring is a smooth, polished composite, and the walls are embellished with rich, velvety leather and delicate carbon fiber accents. With cozy chairs and a fold-out table, the creative arrangement has a living room that can be used as a dining area. With just one command, you can manage your home's entertainment, temperature, and lighting thanks to voice-activated gadgets and smart home automation. Designed to provide the quality of sleep you would expect in a 5-star hotel, the master bedroom is a private sanctuary. It has a full-size bed with great coverings and an opulent, orthopedic mattress. Even in the midst of luxury, panoramic windows provide stunning vistas of the outside world and foster a sense of closer connection with the natural world. The space has a cutting-edge sound system and a smart TV that is mounted on the wall. Subtly incorporated into the design, built-in storage cabinets and drawers offer plenty of room for personal goods without overwhelming the clean, minimalist look. A quiet, serene ambience may be produced by altering the lighting. The aboard restroom is a tranquil haven. It has a large walk-in shower with a rain-style showerhead, tasteful glass doors, and a straightforward, clean design. The sink is made up of one carved marble basin and a contemporary chrome faucet. The toilet is a modern low-flush system, and every fixture is skillfully made. The floor is non-slip, and the walls are composed of sturdy composites and polished tile. The entire area is made to be highly practical while still having the atmosphere of a private, upscale spa, the ideal fusion of fashion and utility. The kitchen is obviously quite effective. This gourmet workstation is well equipped despite its compact size. It has a microwave oven, a built-in induction burner, a stylish workstation, and a surprisingly large, energy-efficient refrigerator freezer. The outside is kept neat and clutter-free by the push-to-open mechanism of the basic cabinets. A classy touch is added by a marble sink that is streamlined and has a retractable faucet. You may enjoy gourmet dining wherever your travels take you, since this kitchen is made to produce culinary wonders on the go rather than merely providing regular meals.